We arrived at Auschwitz station at night. I don't know what time it was, but it was dark. When the doors of the cattle cars opened, light shone on us and we heard our voice shouting in German.
Wagen stehen bereit.
I'll never forget this. This voice announced
that there were trucks standing by, and whoever couldn't get to a truck would be shot. We all jumped down from the train, running, pushing each other. Everybody wanted to get to those trucks. Some of our people started yelling, "Here they are! Here they are!" The trucks had their headlights on and the motors were running. Then the trucks started moving. Although I was very weak from the 2 or 3 days on the train, I tried hard.
There was room on the truck, but I think it left on purpose. I made my way toward another truck, but I couldn't run anymore. That truck was left too. Again, I think the driver did it on purpose. I thought to myself, after all the misery I went through in the past 2 years in the labor camp, this is my end. The Germans did not make idle threats.
I heard dogs barking and saw a lot of bright lights. The Germans began yelling, "Line up in fives, line up in fives." The Germans, it was always 5, 5, 5. Now I saw men with striped uniforms. I tried to ask them questions, but the only thing they said was, line up, be quiet, don't say anything." When they ask your age, if one of you are too young, don't tell the truth. If one of you are too old, don't tell the truth.
I figured that if they were going to line us up as ages, they weren't planning on shooting us. I started feeling safer. We had no clue.
An SS officer did our first selection. We didn't know what he was selecting us for. He asked a few people their ages, and according to the answer, sent them to the right or to the left. One way led to the gas chambers, the other to work. A few days after our arrival at Auschwitz, I wondered what happened to the ones who had made it to the trucks. I had spent almost 2 years with some of those men in the labor camps. Many were my friends.
Apparently, the Germans had played a trick on us. They took the guys who made it to the truck right to the gas chamber, and they put the rest of us in quarantine in Birkenau. I never heard of that kind of a selection again. Clearly, it was not my time to die.